It is Sassy B90. And before we get into the video, I want you to subscribe, comment down below, and push the thumbs up. So, we are going to make a stack cake. I've never done it before, so it might be a little weird, but let's get started. So we're gonna start with Duncan's High's classic white cake mix. So let's put it in the bowl. So next ingredient, we got 1 cup of water. Pour it into the bowl. Now it's moisture. Next up is 1/3 of vegetable oil. Pour it into the bowl. Just like this. Next, we have 3 large egg whites. I have never done it before, so if I mess up, it's okay. But what you're trying to do when you're gonna put it in the bowl, you can't get the yolk in. So let's try my best. Okay, so I also have to switch it around. Don't care about that anymore. Next. Gotta switch it around like we did to the other one. And then I'm gonna make sure I got it all. And that's good. And next. Gotta make sure we got it. And good. That's how you do it. Okay guys, so we're gonna pour this in. Next, what we're gonna do is put it in the fancy mixer that I have. Now we're gonna put it in. So, now we watch. Guys, this white cake mix is very fun and all, but I think we can use some sprinkles inside the cake. And pull this up a little bit. With that, we're gonna do blue. And I'm gonna swirl, if I can, I'm gonna do that. And then we're gonna do red. And we're gonna put a little bit more blue. Red, white, and blue. Okay, now that everything is mixed, we're gonna get the pans ready. But first, I need a friend of mine. Her name is Pam. Here we go. coconut oil from Pam. Bye, Pam. Now let's pour it in. This is kind of like pancakes. Now we got it in the pans. We want to put it in here. We're gonna put it in there for 20 to 25 minutes. So let's open up. And I'm gonna put one over here. And then one over here. And we're gonna let them bake. Ooh, that is hot. All done. Time to take them out. Whew. Okay, now since we got it out of the oven, we're going to cut the top off where we can put the other part on. So, we're cutting the top off. We cut the top off. I'm going to take this and stuff it all in my mouth. That's good. That was so good. Now I think we need to cut it a little bit more because it needs to be flat and I want some more. Look at that go. It's so good. This cake is fluffy right now. Gotta get it all. That looks nice and flat. Now what we're gonna do is put the icing on. So we got it. We're gonna use it as glue to put it on the other one. So let's kind of put it on. Come on, get up. Icing doesn't look so well. Careful with my finger. Don't want to eat you. I don't think this is gonna work out. Now we gotta put this one on top. So we're gonna flip it very gentle, like that. Kind of looks like a pancake stacked on a pancake. Let's put some icing on it. This time it won't look at that. I just did that. It's not the prettiest cake, but it is a stack cake, so I'm going to say it's a success. Now for the fun part. shout out to Mary Miller. And that's her. This has been Cooking with Sassy B90.